What do you mean by electric fuse? An electric fuse is a safety device used in an electric circuit to prevent a large amount of current from flowing through a circuit. It consists of a thin wire placed in a ceramic or glass cartridge. The fuse wire is made up of an alloy. What is the principle on which an electric fuse works? When an electric appliance is turned on, the electric current first flows through the electric fuse before it reaches the electric appliance. If there is an excess flow of current, then a large amount of heat is produced. This heat causes the fuse wire to melt and thus break the circuit. This cuts off the supply of current to the electrical appliance, thus preventing any damage to it. There are different types of fuses like glass fuse, ceramic fuse, and circuit breaker fuse. What is MCB? What do you mean by MCB? The full form of MCB is miniature circuit breaker. A miniature circuit breaker is an automatically operated electric switch that protects an electric circuit during an overload or short circuit. They can be reset manually or automatically to restore normal operation. Next is magnetic effect of electric current. In this topic, the magnetic effect of electric current was first noticed by a scientist whose name was Hans Christian Ørsted in 1820. Once, when he was demonstrating the heating effect of electric current, a compass needle lying close to it got deflected. When he reversed the direction of flow of current by interchanging the positive and negative terminal of the battery, he found that the magnetic needle deflected in the opposite direction. Thus, he discovered the magnetic effects of electric current. Due to the magnetic effect of electric current, a coil of wire carrying current produces a magnetic field around it and behaves like a magnet. This effect of electric current can be used to make electromagnet. So, what is electromagnet? What do you mean by electromagnet? Okay, an electromagnet is simply a coil of insulated wire wound around a piece of magnetic substances such as iron. The magnetic materials around which the coil is wound is called the core. As the current flow as the current flows through the coils of the wire, it produces a magnetic effect. Then, what are the factors? What are the factors on which the strength of the electromagnet depends? There are the two factors on which the strength of an electromagnet depends, that are, first factor is the number of turns in the coil. That means more the number of turns in the coil, greater the strength of the electromagnet. Second factor is the amount of current flowing through the coil. That means greater the amount of current flowing through the coil, greater the strength of the electromagnet. In this topic, we will also discuss about the solenoid. What is solenoid? A solenoid is a cylindrical coil of wire that acts as a magnet when an electric current flows through it. That means a solenoid is a cylindrical coil of wire which is act as a magnet when the electric current flows through it. Then uses of the electromagnets. What are the uses of the electromagnets? First use is electrical appliances. That means electromagnets are used in a number of electric appliances such as telephones, electric bulb and electric motors. Second use is they are also used to separate iron scrap from other materials in metal scrapyard. Third use is that they are used to lift the heavy object. That means very strong electromagnets are used in cranes to lift heavy metal objects such as cars and metal slabs. The topic of this chapter is electric bell. An electric bell is work on the principle of the electromagnet. First we discuss about what are the parts of an electric bulb. The parts of the electric bulb are horseshoe shaped electromagnet, soft iron strip, contact screw, hammer and gong. Then what are the working of an electric bell? The working of an electric bell is described in the three steps. First step is when the switch of the electric bulb is pressed, current start flowing through the circuit to the electromagnet. Then second step, this electromagnet attracts the soft iron strip and it moves away from the screw. This causes the hammer to strike the gong. Step third, as the iron strip moves away from the screw, it breaks the circuit and the current stops flowing. Now the electromagnet loses its magnetism and the soft iron strips comes back to its original position and makes contact with the screw again. This completes the circuit and the process is repeated as long as the switch is pressed, and that causes the hammer to hit the gong repeatedly. Thus the sound of the electric bell is heard. Okay students, the chapter is completed. Thank you.